Hey everyone, Tom Gentile. Welcome to Tom's Trading Room and our market update for July 26, 2017. Going to show you the four corners of the market and one stock I want to highlight for you that just announced earnings. Looks like a great turnaround company. We'll get to that in just a minute. S&P 500. Well, you know what? It's an earnings-driven market. And we were expecting the markets to really pull back, but for the last couple of days, we've gapped a little bit higher and remained higher. We'll see where the rest of the earnings cycle takes us. But if you watched my short video last week, you know I'm not enthusiastic about this bull market lasting. I do believe we're going to see some pullback. I think it's going to happen soon. The bond market, however, has something different to say about it, as we got a sell signal in bonds since last week off the buy. So that was a real nice little move right there that we had on our dark net system. Right now, bonds going down does not really cooperate with my idea that stocks are going to be moving lower. So that's a little bit of a conflict when it comes to stocks and bonds themselves. Let's see what the other corners have to say. Looking at the euro dollar. Now, this is quite interesting because the euro has gone from down close to par with the US dollar to now hitting and trading above the 113 mark. So up nearly 13% since the beginning of the year. All right, our 2016 highs were breached, and it looks like the 2015 highs that are above 118 look like the next target. All right. Finally, take a look at oil, and we talked about this last week, that we're seeing this stair step where we seem to be stepping up higher and higher. And I mentioned that 10 was an area that I expected to happen with USO, and that is happening. But because we're still below $50 a barrel on oil, that is boding very well for this particular stock right here, Alaskan Air Group, symbol ALK. We've had darknet symbols on this one in the past. We had a real good one that actually happened today on a bullish reversal day. So earnings came out, and although the earnings were slightly less than expected, there was some good news that came out about Alaskan Air, which prompted the stock to actually jump higher during the day and also prompted us to get a darknet buy signal. Now, these are typically 20 to 30-day trades. We'll see how this works out in the future. All right, guys, if you want access to the details of ALK and everything else we have, you'll find that in our newsletter at tomsoptiontools.com. If you're a member, log in, click on my Trade Alert newsletter, and you'll get all the details. If you're not a member, you want a free trial, then go to tomsoptiontools.com. Upper right-hand corner is where you want to go. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next week.